Hi friends, today I will introduce you to Chat GPT, the latest technology that has taken the world by storm. What is Chat GPT? Today we are going to talk about Chat GPT, an AI language model that's revolutionizing the way we interact with the machines. Have you heard about Chat GPT? It's a fascinating technology that's changing the way we think about language and AI or artificial intelligence. Welcome to our video on ChatGPT, where we will be exploring the history, applications, and controversies surrounding this groundbreaking technology. I will go through the ChatGPT console and you will have a fair idea about what we are talking. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like responses to the text prompts. At its core, it's a neural network that has been trained on a vast amount of text data to generate natural language responses. It uses a technique called unsupervised learning to continuously improve its language abilities without the need of any human intervention. So let's go through the ChatGPT evolution. How the ChatGPT development phase, let's discuss. It was developed by OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to advancing AI for the benefit of humanity. Elon Musk was its main board members during the initial stages of the OpenAI. Now Microsoft has taken over. The first version of ChatGPT was GPT-1. It was released in 2018 and had around 117 million parameters. Now it has gone into billions in their latest versions. Then come the subsequent versions such as ChatGPT-2, GPT-3, and they have increased the parameters, allowing them to generate more sophisticated and nuanced responses. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications that include chatbots, coding, it can generate content, it can even translate language, and it can also act as a system administrator. I will go through one by one of each process so that you have a better understanding of all these applications. These are just the few of the applications. It has vast usage in almost every field of technology. We can go on a site chatgpt.openai.com, and here we can enter the prompts. On the left side are all the chats that we have done, and we can go start with a new chat. Now I will try with creating a recipe for Shahi Paneer. I will prompt show recipe for Shahi Paneer. Let's see what it shows. It shows the list of ingredients that we require, and it will also give us the instructions on how to cook a Shahi Paneer. It was just in a lighter mood to show you that it can do anything, literally anything. As you can see, the instructions, all the ingredients, as well as the instructions. You can create an account in OpenAI and try your own prompts with Chat GPT. Next, we will prompt it to explain a Pythagoras theorem to a class 8 student. As you can see the result, it is quickly showing us what is Pythagoras theorem, and it will explain all the concepts of the Pythagoras theorem. We have mentioned a class 8 student. It is so intelligent that it will generate the content that is understandable to a class 8 student. Let's give it a prompt to write a poem on Indian politicians in a 5 lines. And quickly it has given us the output. Can it write in Hindi? Let's see. Translate in Hindi, we will give the prompt. Oh, I am sorry, it says that I don't know what to translate. We have to tell ChatGPT that what to translate. We will write translate the above poem. So it will correlate in your chat on what we are talking. And see, it has immediately translated that poem in Hindi. These are just one of the funny examples of Chat GPT. Let's see about a Chat GPT prompt. So we have prompted it to give an example of chatbot prompt. So it shows here's an example of a Chat GPT prompt. How can I assist you? This prompt is designed to encourage the user to engage with the Chat GPT by asking questions or expressing a concern. Let's ask it a question. So if you are in IT field, what will you think? Let's write my PC is slow. What it says. I am sorry to hear it's very concerned about our PC, and it has quickly given us the suggestions how to speed up the things. As you can see, almost everything it has given is correct. So you can see how quickly it can generate the answers and how vast the knowledge it has, that even it can write recipes, it can generate poems, or it can give us up solutions to our problems. Let's ask something else. I need to book a air ticket to Goa. Let's see what it gives. Sure, I can help you with that. And it even knows the online platforms that are used in India like Make My Trip, Clear Tip, Yatra, and it has given you all the instructions one by one, step by step on how you can book a air ticket. Let's see if it can translate. As we have seen that translation is also one of the applications of Chat GPT. So we have given it a line, hello, my name is Chat GPT and I am a AI language model. Can you translate it? And immediately it has done it. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम Chat GPT है और मैं एक AI भाषा मॉडल हूँ. So friends, let's see if it can write a program. So we will prompt it to write a program that prompts the user to enter a number and displays the numbers factorial. The number should be able to handle numbers up to 20. That means we are instructing it to write a program in which a number will be given and it will give us a factorials, and maximum limit is 20. Let's see how fast it does. It mostly gives the answers in Python. Until and unless we specify the language, it can write a program in many languages. As you can see, it has very quickly written the program, and in the end of the chat it also explains what all the functions it has used and what are their uses. As you can see, it has immediately created a Python program to generate a factorial of a number. Let's try some more examples. It also gives us the explanation to the program it has created. Now we will ask it to write a program that generates a random number between 1 and 100 and then ask the user to guess the number. Whenever user guesses the number, it also indicates that the number guessed is too low or too high. Let's see how quickly it can generate the number. Again, it has given the program in a Python, and see how quickly it can write a program. So it's a great help to a programmers as well as coders, because it can also bug your programs and tell where the bug is. In this program, the random module is used to generate a random number 1 and 100. As you can see, it also explains about the program. Let's continue with some more examples. Now we were talking about the content writing. So I have asked Chat GPT to help me with some ideas on my next blog post. So as you can see, it has given us around 10 blog posts or ideas or suggestions on what all we can write about. So these are, as you can see, for staying productive, mindfulness, social media on mental health, benefits of plant-based diet, morning routine, self-care. So these are all the blogs it has suggested that we can write. Even it can write a blog for us. So we will ask it to generate ideas for a health and wellness blog. So it immediately comes up with a blog for health and wellness. As you can see, quickly it can write the blogs. Friends, this is a Chat GPT 3.5 version. Now they have also come up with a 4 version, that is a plus edition, and it is a paid version, and it is much more faster and reliable than this 3.5 model. Let's ask it to write something funny. So I will ask it to write a mail to a boss for requesting a hike in salary and promotion, and we have specified that to use a professional tone. Let's see. As you can see, quickly it has written an email with a subject request for salary hike and a promotion, and as you can see how professional the tone is that it has used in a email. So friends, these were just the examples to show you the potential of Chat GPT. These are just a tip of the iceberg. You can do a lot of more than these things. Let's ask it to write a script that displays the top 10 processes on a Windows computer and sort them by a memory. So it has quickly come up with a Python program, and we can copy the code and directly paste in a file to create a Python script. And it is telling us that how to run this file also. Now we have asked it to write the same program in PowerShell. So it has come up with a very nice little line on a PowerShell to sort top 10 processes by a memory usage. This is another PowerShell script that we have asked it to write. and it has told us that to save it as a .ps1 and how to run this command. So friend, these were some of the case usage of Chat GPT that we have told you. Now it has some major ethical concerns also, which lot of people are talking about these days. It has raised ethical concerns about its potential for a misuse and biases in its language model. So it can give us a biased output based on some ethical concerns. It can also be used to spread disinformation or manipulate public opinion, because as most of people will start using it, they will start believing what ChatGPT is saying is right. So it could also spread a disinformation or manipulate public opinions. Same line, it can reinforce existing biases in society. Now, what is the future of ChatGPT? It has also many security concerns, like it can generate programs that can be used by hackers, spammers for introducing malware. So it has some concerns also, and lot of people are raising these voices against the Chat GPT. But what is its future? As it is going to evolve further with the backing of a Microsoft and lot of companies pumping in lot of money in AI. So the Chat GPT or artificial intelligence is likely to become more sophisticated, and it will be integrated into various industries. It can be used to develop personalized and interactive education materials or help people with disabilities communication more effectively. It can be useful by students, teachers. A lot of educational sites are trying to use Chat GPT into their learning modules. But one of the major concerns that people talk about is that it can affect the jobs, and jobs could be gone if artificial intelligence comes into the various fields. But every technology has its side effects, and there is always a two sides of a coin. So it's up to us how to use these technologies for our betterment. So this video was just to show you that how artificial intelligence is coming and changing our life. So I will conclude my video. Thanks for watching a video on Chat GPT. I hope that you have gained an understanding of this technology and its applications. Be sure to comment on the topic in the comment section below, and also don't